In the beginning of 2020, nobody had thought how difficult it will be. It was a year of uncertainty, but it was a year of hope. It was indeed a year of survival and hope. As festivities are lining up one after the other, our hopes and spirits become stronger. And that's pretty much in our DNA at Liberty General Insurance. We began 2020 with sheer hard work and grit. Over 2019, we registered a 39% growth, spearheading the industry that grew at a rate of almost 16%. While the industry saw the health and travel portfolio grow at 17%, Liberty's portfolio stood strong with 30% growth during April 2019 to Feb 2020. During the same period, our motor OD leapt up 38% against the industry's 1% growth, which is a testament to our recognition as the best in motor claims settlement in the industry. However, the industry stood together to face this pandemic as the demand for health insurance increased owing to more consumer awareness. And Liberty stayed committed to its core values to act responsibly, being open, keeping it simple, making things better, and most importantly, putting people first at all times. This was evident as almost 97% of calls in the call center were attended to in 30 seconds or less. The average complaint resolution at Liberty was 3.96 days compared to the industry rate of 8.56 days. Finally, we adopted 100% paperless claims process. At Liberty, we realized it early on that it was best to envision service in the new normal and adapt to it. While the GI industry started recovering as it grew by 8% in June 2020, Liberty's health segment saw a 44% growth from April 2020 to July 2020 vis-a-vis the previous quarter. Our promoters exhibited immense faith in the universal growth of the GI industry. With the infusion of a further round of 100 crore rupees capital in July 2020, taking the total invested amount to 1,834 crore rupees and making Liberty one of the best capitalized companies in the industry. Even in these tough times, we remain committed to innovate and design value-driven products and services, both in the motor and health insurance segment for our customers. We launched Health Prime Connect, Critical Connect, and Liberty Assure in the second half of 2020. Additionally, in line with IRDAI's directive to provide indemnity-based health insurance, we have launched Corona Kavach and Arogya Sanjeevani to better support our customers during COVID-19 and in coming times. We celebrated our UV Alliance initiative, UVA, virtually in celebration of partner collaboration and customer service. While we continue to conduct virtual training sessions for upskilling our partners, the new enhanced partner portal that we are currently developing will improve our partners' experience. Finally, we conducted our industry-first, massively successful online Meet for Partners Day, seeing participation of 3,400 plus participants. We are set to approach 2021 with innovation, fresh or improved products, and with increased awareness and benefits of insurance. All this with a commitment towards our responsibility to the growth of each and every one of our stakeholders, be it customers, agents, and partners in the coming years, as we deeply value your support.